Hi, it's Emily Stein here from Roll for Fitness, and I want to show you something. If any of you out there are having a really stiff back, the Yamuna Body Rolling silver ball, for any of you that have any kind of tension or tightness, the gold ball is probably better, but the silver is good for you're a little more athletic. So you would take the ball, find that space in your low back, and just kind of press it against your sacrum like this. And you're going to inhale, and you're going to exhale into the ball. So if your back feels a little stiff, it's nice to kind of get a little low back massage. You'll inhale and exhale, and then bring yourself forward. So you're going to brace. So if it's hard for you to do this the first time, just take your hands on top of the ball and just hold on to it. Nothing wrong with doing that. You'll inhale and exhale into the ball. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale into the ball. Inhale, take your hands like this, come forward. You'll feel the ball kind of in that mid back. You can shift your weight a little bit from side to side and just feel this here. And you'll breathe in. Inhale. So if always when I feel your head supported, so my spine is curved and I'm nice and gently on the ball. You'll inhale. As you exhale, you'll bring yourself forward. Now the ball is right at the tip of your shoulder blade. So take your hands behind your head. Always support your head and neck when you're doing these routines. Take your hands like this, and you can even rotate to one side, lengthen out here, inhale, come up, and lengthen out. Same thing, you can come this side, gently lengthen out this way, inhale, come up, and lengthen out. So if you've been at the computer all day and you just feel stiff and you've been leaning over a phone or a computer, this is good to do. So inhale, and you'll exhale, and you'll bring yourself forward. So it's right at the top of the shoulder blade. So inhale here, come forward, and expand your chest. Inhale, come forward, and exhale and expand your chest. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, expand your chest. Come forward. So when you get that space right before your neck, you want to basically bring your chin to your chest. You want to give yourself enough space. So inhale, and you'll bring yourself forward. And you can open your chest over the ball. And you're here, if you can, ideally you want to lift yourself up so you get that nice press in the ball before your neck. And you'll bring yourself forward. Ball gently comes behind the space in your neck. You always want to make sure it's behind your skull. Might have to adjust it to where it feels good for you. And just turn your head to the left. And then turn your head to the right. Pressing your head into the ball. This is a nice skull. This is a nice massage to the base of your skull. Bring your chin to your chest. And breathe in here. You'll inhale. And you'll exhale into the ball. You can even take your hand and gently kind of lift the face of your skull. I do this to people in session, and I give you a nice lift in your forehead, and you can turn this way, gently press your neck into the ball, come back center, turn to the right, and gently just press in. So all of this work is really good for relaxing the body and just feeling better. And so you'll just take yourself out from where you just were, take the ball out behind your neck, and lift yourself up like this. And gently just come up. And it's a nice way to just get a nice little tune-up for your back. And you should do that every day. And if you can do it before you go to bed at night or just in general, it's a nice way to get a little tune-up for your back. The balls are really great to use. They're just they're portable. And they're nicer than the foam roller. The foam roller kind of hurts. And so it's just a nice tool to use. So if you thought that was beneficial and you'd like more information, I do offer in-person sessions in Tampa Bay, and I also offer work online. And anyone who'd like to get a gift for someone, I offer gift certificates too. So if you enjoyed that and you'd like more information, my name is Emily Stein. I am the owner of Roll for Fitness. I teach you how to roll and stretch your way to better health. Thank you so much and have a great day. And happy stretching. Thank you.